Hello everyone, this is Sanjay from CSIT Bank. Today I'm programming with objects concept video topic is mention the steps in JDBC connectivity and JDBC component as well as JDBC is nothing but Java database connectivity. So let's jump into the topic. Today we are going to learn about what is JDBC and architecture of the JDBC, types of JDBC driver available, steps to connect to database and types of statement and JDBC data source. So first we are going to learn about JDBC. JDBC acronym of Java Database Connectivity, though some microsystems claim that it is not the full form. JDBC is a standard Java API for independent database connection between a Java program and a wide range of relational databases. It is present in java.sql package. To have JDBC, we need to import the java.sql package. And here you can see the architecture of the JDBC. First, it is Java application and JDBC API and JDBC driver manager. And here it is classified into three: JDBC driver, JDBC driver, and JDBC driver. And now here the first one is assigned to Oracle, the second one is SQL Server, and third one is ODBC data source. And this is the architecture of the JDBC. And types of JDBC driver: type 1 JDBC ODBC bridge driver, type 2 native API partly Java driver, type 3 net protocols all Java driver, type 4 native protocols all Java driver. Steps to connect, and these are the steps to connect to the JDBC server. First, define the connection URL, establish the connection, create the statement object, execute a query, process the results, and close the connection. First, define the control URL, and to define the control URL, we are having class.forName. For JDBC and ODBC bridge driver, this is the syntax where class.forName is given in brackets double quotation sun.jdbc.odbc.jdbc ODBC driver, and for Oracle driver class.forName oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver, and for my SQL driver class.forName com.mysql JDBC driver. And steps to connect: establish the connection on driver manager dot get connection gives rise to, here we have to place the URL and in between the double quotes and separated by comma, and then the double quotes where we have to username comma double quotes pass. And to create the statement object, statement stmt equal to con.create statement. This is the syntax to create a statement object. And steps to connect: execute the query. For the select query, string SQL equal to select from emp stmt dot execute query SQL. For insert and update query, string SQL is equals to insert into emp values 47 TD. stmt dot execute update is equals to SQL. Process the result. Result set rs equals to stmt dot execute query SQL, while rs.next is double quotes and middle flower braces system.out.println brackets rs.get int id and system.out.print rs.get string name and ended with curly braces. Steps to connect: close the connection, release all the resources that the connection is holding, stmt.close and con.close. Steps to connect: summarizing the steps for connecting Java database and inserting values in database, deploying on NetBeans IDE, class.forName, organization, and here it is an example where you can see org.apache-derby.jdbc client driver. For connection, con equals to driver manager.get connection double quotes jdbc :derby :localhost 1527 or backus teddy. statement stmt equals to con.create statement and string SQL equals to insert into teddy 47 Jani stmt.execute update SQL statement.close brackets con.close. Types of statements available. There are three types of statements available in statement class: statement, prepared statement, callable statement. Types of statement available. Statement, this represent a simple SQL and MySQL statement. Statement stmt con create statement. Types of statement available. Prepared statement. This represents a pre-compiled SQL/MySQL statement which allows improved performance. It allows to execute the query multiple times and we can set the values according to our need. Prepared statement PSMT equals to con.prepared statement brackets callable statement. This allows the access of stored procedures that are stored on the database. Callable statement CSMT is equals to con.prepareCall. JDBC data source. The JDBC data source interface is an alternative to driver manager class and conventional JDBC URL. All the database information is present in naming, service and retrieved using the JNDI API. The data source object contains the connection information which will make the actual connection and execute the JDBC commands. JDBC data source. Each data source is assigned a logical name by convention beginning with JDBC/. Advantages: makes the code portable and reused. The application does not have remember the hardcode driver information. Connection pooling and distributed transaction advantage is facility. JDBC data source. Syntax is equals to context CTX is equals to new initial context data source TS is equals to bracket data source CTX dot lookup JDBC teddy database connection con.ds.get connection username. So I conclude that Java JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. JDBC is Java API to connect the execute the query with database. It is a part of Java SE, Java Standard Edition. JDBC we use JDBC drivers to connect with the database and the types of Java database drivers are JDBC, ODBC bridge driver, native driver, network protocol driver and thin driver. And the popular classes of JDBC API are driver manager class, block class, clock class, types classes. So why should we use JDBC? We can use JDBC API to handle database using Java program and can perform the following activities like connect to the database, execute queries and update systems to the database, retrieve the results resolved from the database. And we discussed about that API. What is meant by API? API is nothing but application programming interface. Is a document that contains a description of all features of the product or software. It represents classes and interfaces that software programs can follow, communicate with each other. An API can be created for application libraries, so OS, operating systems, and etc. So there are some of the like JDBC drivers, steps to connect to a database. So we discussed also that ODBC is nothing but the Open Database Connectivity. It is by Microsoft. The Microsoft Open Database Connectivity Interface is a C programming language interface that makes possible for application to access data from various of the database management systems DBMS. ODBC is a low-level high-pro interface that is designed specifically for the relational data stores. So this is my topic about the Java database. Thank you.